This is original Black&Decker 1200 watts vacuum cleaner, which has a blower function also. It is used for dry vacuuming and wet vacuuming. This unit is being packed for a Daraz order for Azad Kashmir. Today is 28th February 2024. This is the shipping label. This is original Black&Decker. These are the specs. WD-BD10 is the model. 10 liter capacity, 1200 watts. These are the equipment inside. You can order these vacuum cleaners from our YouTube channel and Facebook page, Orion Engineering Company, Karachi. We have other bigger capacity models too available in ready stock.